Welcome to the pre-market report of 17/6/2022. Today the center pivot of Nifty placed around 15,520. Top CPR is in 15,599. Bottom CPR is in 15,440. R1 placed in 15,704 and R2 placed in 16,048. R3 placed in 16,232 and S1 placed in 15,176 and S2 placed in 14,992 and S3 placed in 14,648. Today the center pivot of Bank Nifty placed around 32,971. Top CPR is in 32,794. Top CPR is in 33,147 and bottom CPR is in 32,794. R1 placed in 33,403, R2 placed in 34,189 and R3 placed in 34,622. S1 placed in 32,185 and S2 placed in 31,752 and S3 placed in 30,966. Let us take the global market first. Yesterday, all the US market closes firmly in red, especially Nasdaq was down by 4%. It indicates there is heavy selling pressure in our IT stock and it indicates our market going to be rallied towards down direction. Yesterday, all the European market was also closed firmly in red, except Russian index. All the US market was closed firmly in red. It is also indicating our market going to be trend towards down direction. Right now, most of the Asian market was in red, except Chinese market. All the Asian market was in red. It is also indicating our market going to be trend towards down direction, but Hong Kong market was up by 1.9%. It indicates our market also going to be trend towards up direction because most of the time our market follows Hong Kong market. Right now all the US and European futures trading in green. It gives slight positive direction to our market. Nifty future trading around 15,368. Our previous day close was 15,360. It indicates market going to open in very flat condition. SGS Nifty also indicating the same. SGS Nifty trading around 15,370. It is also indicating our market going to open in flat condition. Yesterday the foreign institutional investors sold for 3,257 crores and the domestic institutional investor bought for 1,929 crores. The overall institutional activities in sell side, it gives slight positive negative direction to our market. This is option chain data in NSE website. Here we can see which option has highest open interest. Right now 15,700 call option has highest open interest in nearby. It has 74,405 contract in open condition, as well as 15,000 put option has highest open interest in nearby. It has 46,978 contract in open condition. So the option writers believe market going to be expire between 15,700 to 15,000 by this upcoming week, as well as smart people create 15,500 short saddle. They can sell 15,500 call option as well as 15,500 put option. That's why open interest in 15,500 call option as well as 15,500 put option is more than 40,000. So smart people created 15,500 short saddle. By creating 15,500 short saddle, the option writers can collect combined premium of 431 rupees. With the help of that, they believe market won't move beyond 15,800 on upside as well as 14,950 on downside. According to the yesterday's data, the foreign institutional investor has 12% long in index future as well as 88% short in index future, as well as the domestic institutional investor has 40% long position in index future and 60% short in index future. Day before yesterday, FAS has 11% long in index future. They increased by 1%. It gives slight positive. They did not reduce the long position. That is also a positive one. As well as the domestic institutional investor increases more than 7% in long position. Day before yesterday, they have 33% long. They increase the long position by 7%. It gives slight positive to our market, as well as the FAs also increases long position by 1%. They did not increases the short positions much. That gives slight positive to our market. The overall view is yesterday US and Europe market was closed in negative. Right now Asian market is trading in mixed condition. US future is also positive. European future also positive. Nifty future and SGS Nifty indicating flat opening. FAs in sell side, DAs in buy side. As well as option writers believe market won't move beyond 15,800 in upside, as well as beyond 14,950 in downside. This is Nifty chart in trading view. I am always using 5 minutes time frame. I marked center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR in white, as well as S1, S2, S3 in red, previous day low in dotted red, and previous day high in dotted green. After that I marked R1, R2, R3 in green. As of now, SGS Nifty and Nifty future indicating market going to open somewhere around 15,360. This is just below to bottom CPR. Today the CPR width is very wide. It indicates our market going to be in consolidate mode only. It will not trend in any direction. Moreover, if market opens flat, it would be a trending day. I don't know whether the market going to be trend or it going to be in consolidation phase. I hope market will in consolidation phase only. It will be trading within the CPR today, because some positive and some negative is in the market. Right now US futures are positive and Chinese market is in positive, as well as DAI increases the long position. These are the positive things for the market. As well as yesterday US market closes in negative, European market was also negative, some of the Asian market was in negative. This is the negative direction for the market. But I hope market will consolidate between the CPR today, because yesterday was a big trending day. Whenever the big trending day, the next day would be a consolidation phase only. So I hope market will trend in between the CPR. Today there is no chance for the option buyer. This is purely for today the market will purely for option seller.